Hello students, welcome back to our video lesson. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon is Deciles of Ungrouped Data. So last video lesson natin, we are discussed about the quartile of ungrouped data using the Mendenhall and Sensage method as well as the linear interpolation. So this time, we're going to discuss on how to find the deciles of ungrouped data. Objective: calculate a specified measure of position of the data using deciles of ungrouped data. So what is decile? Deciles are the 9 scores which divide the data into 10 equal parts. So for the illustration, we have the data as a whole. We are going to divide the data into 10 equal parts. So we have D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, and D9. So take note that our D5 is the 50% or the half or the middle value. So D5 is also equal to Q2 or the second quartile. Example: find the second decile or D2 of the following test score of a random sample of 10 students. So we have the scores 82, 75, 81, 77, 84, 76, 90, 87, 98, and 95. So step 1, arrange the score in ascending order. So arrange natin yung score from lowest to highest score. So we have the score 75, 76, 77, 81, 82, 84, 87, 90, 95, and 98. Step 2, use the general formula in finding the position of deciles. So we have D sub k is equal to k divided by 10 times n plus 1, where D is the decile, k is the decile number 1 to 9, n is the number of data, and round off to the nearest integer. Step 3, locate the position of D2. So using the formula, we have n is equal to 10 and k is equal to 2. So using the formula, d sub k is equal to k over 10 times n plus 1. So substitute the value of k and n. So we have 2 over 10 times 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So 2 times 11 divided by 10 is equal to 22. So 2 times 11 is 22. Divided by 10, we have 2.2 or round off to 2. So the approximately is 2. Since 2.2, we are going to round down. So the value is 2. So this means that D2 is the second element or order. So our D2 is 76. Let's have another example. Suppose the math grades of 15 students are 67, 98, 81, 76, 71, 85, 56, 95, 85, 64, 92, 63, 75, 83, and 77. So find the 7th decile or D7. Step 1, arrange the scores in ascending order. So we have 56, 63, 64, 67, 71, 75, 76, 77, 81, 83, 85, 85, 92, 95, and 98. Step 2, use the general formula in finding the position of deciles. So we have d sub k is equal to k over 10 times n plus 1, where d is the decile, k is the decile number 1 to 9, n is the number of data, and round off to the nearest integer. Step 3, locate the position of D7. So using the formula, our n is equal to 15, our k is equal to 7. So we have 7 over 10 times 15 plus 1. So 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Then we're going to multiply 7 times 16 is equal to 112 divided by 10. So 112 divided by 10 is equal to 11.2. Round down, that is approximately 11. So this means that D7 is the 11th element or order. So we're going to count the data from 1 to 11. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So therefore, D7 is equal to 85.